How to change location on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change location on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your settings. After you're on your settings, you can just go back here and then just go to the general section. After you're on the general section, you will need to scroll down and there you'll find an option called language and region. Tap on language and region and there you'll find the region option. Tap on the region option and now you can select your country or wherever you want to change your location to. So after you find the country or location that you want to change into, simply tap on it and it will just start changing your location. While that changes, your screen will go black and it will give you a text saying changing locations and stuff like that, and it will just get changed. And that is basically all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.